I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the eHome syrup dispenser. Now, I purchased this because everything in my kitchen here is stainless steel, and I wanted something that would match that, and I wanted a cohesive kind of uniformed look between my agave and honey and maple syrup. So I purchased several of these to match. And what I love about these is all that you have to do is just kind of push this button and it slides open, and then you could just pour your syrup, or here I have agave nectar. So I love using this in my tea, and then I also have one of maple syrup to where we can just have this for breakfast, and it's really cute to serve with, especially if you have guests over. And it holds 14 ounces, so it's a good amount of syrup in here, and it's really high quality. It's really nice, and that's what I love about this, and that's my point of view.